Today's video dives into the political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. You might have heard the name Constantino Chiwenga, a key figure in this unfolding story, but what's really happening behind the scenes? First, let's talk about the recent endorsement by the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, or ZNLWVA. They've thrown their weight behind Vice President Chiwenga, signaling a major shift within the ruling ZANU-PF party. This endorsement is no small matter. It highlights the growing divide within the party over President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership. Andreas Ethan Matibula, a leader within the pro-Chiwenga faction, publicly criticized Mnangagwa's biographer, Eddie Cross, for downplaying Chiwenga's leadership potential. Matibula praised Chiwenga's military background and his clean slate in political scandals. These internal rivalries are deepening, with various factions vying for power in anticipation of a post-Mnangagwa era. The stakes are incredibly high, and this endorsement from the war veterans adds even more complexity to an already tangled web. Now, let's shift gears to the United Nations General Assembly in New York. President Mnangagwa unexpectedly withdrew from the summit, citing security concerns and internal power struggles. This absence is particularly alarming given the recent tensions between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. A bizarre helicopter mishap and a controversial birthday ad wishing Mnangagwa rest in peace have only fueled suspicions of foul play. The Ministry of Defense even suspects that the ad might have been a calculated move to escalate the power struggle. Both Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's camps have remained silent on these unsettling events. Adding to the air of uncertainty, the withdrawal from the UN summit has exposed just how deep the rift within ZANU-PF has become. So what's next? The power struggle within ZANU-PF is intensifying. The endorsement of Chiwenga by the war veterans, combined with Mnangagwa's actions, highlights the growing divisions and anxieties within the party. As the political landscape in Zimbabwe continues to shift, the coming months will be crucial. The world will be watching to see how this power struggle unfolds and what it means for Zimbabwe's future. In summary, the political drama in Zimbabwe is far from over. With Chiwenga's rising influence and Mnangagwa's uncertain position, the stakes have never been higher. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on global politics. Stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.